Safety is paramount in live working on distribution networks. Today we introduce a key safety protection product, Conductor Cover. Material, LDPE, low-density polyethylene, featuring excellent insulation performance, flexibility, water resistance, and low-temperature resistance. It is rated at insulation class 3, with a maximum operating voltage of 26.5 kV. The interlocking staggered openings extend the surface discharge path along the insulation, raising the discharge difficulty and inception voltage. This effectively suppresses surface discharge and prevents phase-to-phase or phase-to-ground short circuits. The overlapping length is 15.5 centimeters, which meets the design specification for live working shielding tools, requiring a minimum overlap of 15 centimeters. Multiple units can be spliced together to achieve different lengths, adapting to various line shielding requirements. With an inner diameter of 45 mm, it is compatible with conductors up to 240 square millimeter.